Court come to order. All rise.
Have a seat, please.
Judge, case 4023, Frazier versus Molette Shavers.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ms. Frazier, you're a photographer.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have your own studio?
I work out of my home.
Do you have a website?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I take a look at it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I've read this website. I want you to take a look at this. What's your first name?
Jada.
Jada. Take a look at this, let your mom take a look at this, and make sure that this is the same website that you saw when you hired Miss Frazier to photograph your 21st birthday.
No, it's a new website.
Can Can I see the website that you saw? Okay, and I'll take them both now. No, the one that you gave me is only partial. I'm not seeing that it's any different from that, and some of it's left out.
That's what was available to us
Well,
on the
that's
website.
too bad. Did you change your website?
No, ma'am.
No. Return this to them. Okay, so you knew what the drill was. You wanted her to take pictures for your daughter's 21st birthday. She was getting makeup done. I think the whole charge was $250?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the website, that $250 package that you ordered, which is what you ordered, correct?
Correct.
Included her taking the pictures. It included 10 retouched pictures from the whole package. It was a $50 deposit. The rest of the money was to be paid in cash at the date of the shoot, that you had to notify her in advance of any guests you were bringing because it's at her house. Space is small, no kids. Anything else that I left out?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you made an appointment for when?
The appointment was scheduled for...
Well, originally we had 2 appointments, but because of editing, we needed to push the appointment up so she could have the photos available for her birthday on time. So,
You asked her to please move up the date.
well, she asked us.
What date did you call her?
So,
Not so, just give me a date.
June 23rd.
Is the date that you called her. When's your birthday?
July 7th.
And when was the first appointment that you made with her?
So the original appointment was for July 2nd.
And then there was a conversation about changing that to a sooner date. Tell me about that conversation.
In order for me to have my pictures on time, we had to
No.
schedule a new...
No. Unless you're a mind reader, you don't know that. You had your appointment for July 2nd. Then something had to happen. Either you or your mother had to call the plaintiff and say, you know what? I don't think that that's enough time for her to say to you, if you do it July 2nd, I can't have the pictures for you by your birthday. Somebody had to say that, start that conversation.
Yeah,
Who was it?
the plaintiff said that she wouldn't have my pictures in time.
So to move the appointment up.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, she texted me and asked, my birthday is July 7th. She said, I looked at your turnaround time. Will they be done by the 7th? And I told her, no, they will not. Their turnaround time is 7 to 10 business days. But what I can do for you, since you want to post a picture...
Just a second. So you called her?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, and said, I know I'm coming in on the 2nd. Is that enough time for me to get my pictures done for my birthday?
Because on the website, there's a rush fee.
Yes, on the website that you didn't want to pay.
No,
If you
I
could've-
did.
Yeah.
I agreed to pay the rush fee. She denied it.
Okay. Well, maybe she was busy.
Maybe,
You know,
but July.
just a
Offline,
second.
and that's why I was scheduled.
Your 21st birthday didn't exactly creep up on you. It's been coming for 21 years. The date hasn't changed. So you called the last week in June, and you wanted your pictures for the first week in July, finished. That's what you wanted. Okay, that means that somebody who may have other things to do, personal, professional, or whatever, has to sort of move to your cadence, to your delayed cadence. In any event, she rescheduled in order to get that for you. That's an that's a yes.
Yes.
And when did she reschedule that for you?
June 26th. Yeah.
So that was an accommodation.
Yes.
Now I want you to tell me what happened when you got there.
Okay, when I arrived, she was upset because I brought my one person that it says on the website that you can do.
No. It doesn't say that.
Well,
it says you can.
we have.
It says you can do that if you notify her. That's
Which
what the
she was
website.
notified.
She was notified.
Just a second. The website says you can bring one person with prior notification. Am I correct?
You're correct.
Okay, so I read it. Now, she was upset that you brought one person, but you were about to say she knew we were bringing the one person.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I want you to tell me how she knew. She didn't look into a crystal ball.
No. We were all included in a group chat where we discussed where we were meeting at, times, dates. Everything was discussed between my co-defendant, my mom, and the plaintiff.
So you assumed she knew that you were bringing your mother?
I was aware that she knew.
No, you can't be aware. You can't be aware what she knew, because that makes you sort of soothsayer, creeping into her mind. You assume that since you were on a three-way chat discussing where to go and what time to go, you assumed that she knew that you were bringing your mother. You didn't know she knew you were bringing your mother unless you said to her, I am bringing my mother. Is that okay pursuant to your website, right? You didn't say that to her.
No.
You were all together. So you assumed that she knew that
Your
you were
Honor,
bringing...
that still doesn't give anyone a right to be upset and yell at you.
Just to say, don't...
Okay.
We're going for facts,
Yeah.
madam. The facts are, as indicated, you're supposed to have permission. You assumed that that was all taken care of because you were all doing this thing together, and she knew it was your 21st birthday.
Right.
So, and then your mother was sort of coordinating this thing, happened to... I substantively don't understand why she would have been annoyed that you brought your mother if your mother was behaving herself. All right, so now you come to the date of the shoot, and...
Nobody was really acting out. It was still weird energy, I guess. Like, my mom advised me, like, not to, like, go forth with the photo shoot, but I needed my promotion done and my birthday pictures, so I was trying to be, I guess,
Cordial.
Cordial.
So the pictures were being taken?
Yes.
Fine. About what time did it start?
It started at, was it 5?
It was a 5 p.m. session,
5,
ma'am.
and it ended at around 5:55. And it was supposed to be an hour, but I think she had a customer coming in or something, so...
What, so it was 55 minutes, started at 5, ended
Yes.
at 5:55. Okay, now, did you pay her?
Yes,
And you paid her how much?
$250.
Okay, in total.
Yes,
Great. And that's what she charges?
yes,
Okay, so you didn't pay her a rush fee?
no,
Right, even though she rushed.
she did not
No,
rush.
she
Oh,
didn't.
just a second. Well, she rushed to get you an appointment.
No.
No.
She
I
didn't.
What are you
An
kidding?
appointment.
No,
Your Honor.
she rushed to get you a sooner appointment.
No.
Because,
Your Honor, if I were to book for July the 2nd, I would have paid the rush fee in order for my pictures to arrive on July 7th. But being as though she agreed to push my date up to June 26th, there's no rush fee
It was
involved.
no reason for the rush.
I'm absolutely following you, madam. I'm
Right.
not thick. I said to you, she accommodated you to make the
accommodated
shoot.
herself.
Listen, no.
She might have been busy,
are-
but the services
you
that I
are-
was paying for,
Just a second.
I think
I
that's
can't assume
just-
that she's
I just
busy.
think you got, Your Honor.
Do you think you want to talk to each other? Go outside and don't waste my time.
no.
What I'm telling you is, if she hadn't moved the date up to accommodate you, which is what you asked for, and she kept the date originally selected, which was July 2nd, and if you wanted the pictures by the 7th, you would have had to have paid an additional $200.
which I was fine with
Just
doing.
a second. That's not an aha. That's a yes.
Yes, which I was fine with
Okay.
doing.
So instead of making you pay the additional $200 rush fee, she agreed to see you at 5 o'clock on the 26th. That's what it appears like on paper. Do you get that now?
I still don't.
Are you answering the phone?
No, I'm
looking for the-
looking
looking
at
for
the
the
message.
Right, you can't listen. I'll tell you like I tell my husband all the time. I'm not talking to you until you're looking at my eyes.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Do you understand?
I do.
Now, I'm not saying it again. I want you to start to process that in your brain.
Can I speak, Your Honor? I think where the confusion is happening
Right.
is that the before date was available. So Rashida wasn't put out in any way. All we had to do is go back on the website and book an earlier date. I just didn't know she had a 7 to 10 day turnaround. So it was me that booked this
And on
shoot.
the policy, there's a rush fee, so even if there is a